Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your video files out of the JVC camcorder. Now, this is JVC HD30, and we're going to go step by step here. So, you want to use the USB port, which you see right there. Okay, you want that, and you want to have this USB cord right here. So this is what you're going to need, and then you're going to connect it to your PC. And we're going to start off with the first thing you need to do. Make sure you got power. Go into the camera, which is right there, okay? And then let's plug in the USB cable right to the port. Okay, once you have it all plugged in, you're going to connect it to your PC, right? Okay, it's connected to the USB port. Okay, there it is, it's connected. Now, let's turn on the camera. In this case, we're going to open up the screen. Okay, so very important here. Okay, you're gonna wait for the next screen to pop up. You see that? It's just playback on PC. Now you're gonna see the USB connection. Okay, now that you have the camcorder connected, the connection is made to the PC via USB. It should be recognized now. Now the next thing you want to do is maybe create a folder if you don't have one. This is where you're going to put your files, your movie files. And how you get to the JVC, it should be recognized by your PC. So let's open up the File Explorer. Okay, so you want to go into this PC, and you're going to notice, see right there, that is your Everio hard drive. Okay. That's the camera hard drive right there. Just click on it, and you're going to have these files here. There's some of these, what you want to look for is this SD video file right here. Click on that. Okay. And then you want to go to where your movies are saved. So in my case, PRG7, right? Click on that, and see now you're going to get all these files. These are all your movie files inside the camera, which is connected to the PC, right? Alright, so for me, since I already got a file set up, we're going to open up that, and then what you want to do is you want to grab the file that you're looking to record. In my case, it's this one, and grab both of these. You're going to need both of these, right? And in my case, you're just going to drag and drop. Alright, so now that's copied to the folder. See, it's being copied to the folder on the PC right now. And once it's done transferring over, now it's saved to your computer. Now let's go into the next step, which is how to get these into your editing program. Alright, so now you have successfully transferred videos from your camcorder JVC to your computer. Alright, let's go to the next step. Okay, as an example, I'm going to open up the video editing program. In my case, I have Vegas Pro 13, so let's open that up. And then I'm going to show you how to bring in your JVC files, and then you can do some editing. Alright, so here is Vegas Pro 13, and the way you find your file is you want to go into the upper left hand corner, and then bring in, go to import. Okay. And then you want to go to your desktop, as that's where we saved our test file, right? So you're going to go to desktop, okay? And see right there, JVC test. We're going to open that up. Now, when you open up Vegas, you know, down here, you want to go to all files. So to do that, you want to go up here, go to all files. Okay, you see now they popped up. And you don't necessarily need this one, you just want to open up this one. You're going to go to open. Now it's imported, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag it into your timeline. Okay. Now you can use any editing program you want, it doesn't have to be Vegas. Okay, and there's your file, and we can even play it. So let me show you that we can play it from the file that we just saved it to. So there it is. there's a video from the JVC camera that we just imported, right? From the camera to the PC into the editing program, and then you're ready to go. And then you can just export this out however you want up onto YouTube, and there you go. That's how you transfer a file from the JVC HD30 to your PC. I hope you found this useful. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if this helped you, or if you know another method. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, just a little bonus clip. So the hard drive is 30 gigabytes, but also SD card. You can use SD card with the JVC. So if you were going to get it from the SD card, you would connect it the same way as you would, and then you would just find the SD card instead of the HD. You will find the SD card. All right, that's just a little bonus tip. Give me some comments if you need some further help. I'll see you soon. Bye.